Our faces right here. Here we go. Okay, baby, let's open up the hepatitis C RNA quant and see what it has to say, okay?
Okay, lover.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, there it is. Less than 15.
15.
No, less than 15 means they can't find it.
Oh, so
yeah.
So it's not.
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone, honey. That's really good news, isn't it?
Yeah, that's such good news, baby.
I'm glad you came home.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have missed this for the world.
I didn't want to have to share this moment with myself.
No, I wouldn't have missed this for the world. It's gone, baby. It's gone.
It said it was detected less than 15.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure what that means. Okay, let's see what it says down here.
Mm.
No, I don't see anything.
God, that's such good news. That is so incredible. It's just so incredible, honey.
He got rid of it in just 4 weeks. Harvoni is the master dragon slayer.
It certainly is.
Genotype 1A.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
If you're not on it yet, and you need it, get it.
Get it, yes.
I love you.
Oh, I love baby. Congratulations, lover.
Thank you. All right, here we go.